Common mistakes to avoid in Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart and click on your cart at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the cart at the top right corner of your screen, here you can simply select the product and then make sure replacement is added. Then you can click on the product and then click on notes for instructions, add note for a shopper. Don't forget to add note for shopper how you want your product to be picked. And after you do this, you can press on go to checkout and make sure if you scroll down you'll find tip icon. It's not available in my region. It may be available in your region. Also, make sure you don't wait for tip mid-order. Make sure you set your tip during checkout as well. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is common mistakes to avoid in Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.